Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Sweat Wallet login problem. So if you don't know that Sweat Wallet is connected to Sweat Coin, right? And I can show you how you can fix this. Now just go and download your Sweat Coin here and just log in, and you will log in just like normally. Right, so once you're here, well, you have to log in and you have to give all the permission what this app is asking for, right? And this app will be asking for your phone sensor so that he can count, this app can count these steps. And once you does that, here you have to go and open your Sweat wallet. You can also go and open it from here, right? Somewhere there's an option to open a Sweat wallet, and here you can just go and click on join, and then you will able to open it. And of course it will ask you to download your Sweat wallet here. Now once you open it here, it will ask you use your activation email, right? So if I just go back from here, you will see this option. This is where I think you guys are getting the problem here. Now as here you can see login into your account by typing one of these Sweatcoin username, secret phrase and private key, each and everything, right? So sometimes it's become very difficult, so just go and click on login with Sweatcoin here, and automatically you will get it here, right? And how you can get it here, I told you earlier, you have to give all this permission. Now once you're here, it will give you all this information, so just swipe right and click on copy email subject line. Now here it says here that, now let me show you. So first of all, find the email we sent you when you opened into Sweat, right? And of course when you made your account, let me just go and find it. And once you open your email, you have to press the button at the bottom, and this is subject line. So copy the subject line. Now go to your email, make sure you use the same email which you used for the Sweatcoin, and it will be available there, and paste it there. Now you will get it here. Importance with wallet backup code, do not delete or share. Now here you can see this is our code here, so I can just copy up this code, and once you copy it, you will get this option of login into your Sweat wallet. Now just click on the same link here, and here you will get this option of login. So now login here. Now here you can just enter your private key. So now let's click on get started, next, and open your wallet here. Now as you can see here, we are inside our Sweat wallet. So this is how you can just activate it, and you can fix this error, each and everything, because if you don't do step by step, then of course you won't be able to. So make sure you do what I have shown you the video. Thanks for watching, subscribe.